Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a Dollar Tree browse. It's going to be real quick. I just wanted to show you what all was in the local Dollar Tree, and I wasn't about to buy all this. Here we go. These right here were new and they are so stinking cute, so of course I got one. Then here is some of their Easter decor, and like I said, of course I'm not going to just buy all this to do a haul. Those signs were so pretty. And yes, my Dollar Tree went up to $1.25 now. All three of them that I went to yesterday. Yes, three of them. I only videoed one though. And then here's all their Easter decor. Their eggs. They have camo eggs and different colored eggs. And, they have all kinds of eggs. They even had some with wings or something. I don't know. But anyway, there's their carrots. They're really cute. And then more eggs. And I love those Legos. I don't know. I love the colors of the Legos. They're so cute. The pastels are cute. And then there's some beautiful eggs down there. They would be real cute to decorate with. And then there's chicks, eggs, and dinosaur. That's what I was talking about, dinosaur. And then you got your goofy eggs, of course. But the dinosaur ones just caught me off guard. But anyway. Then you got your Irish decor, whatever you call it. I don't even know. I forget. Oh, St. Patrick's Day. Duh. St. Patrick's Day decor. And, of course, your felt elves and, the same old signs that you get and stuff like that. That's there. So, yeah, those same old hats and whatever. And then they got your bird feeders. This is new to me anyway. I've never seen it. And it is a climbing trellis. So if you garden, there you go. Personally, I can't grow anything, but maybe you can. So then you have your little bird feeders down there, hummingbird feeders, your hooks, your flags, your flag poles, and all the little cute little gloves up there. Then you have more hooks and tools that they always have every year. This is their fairy garden stuff. I got distracted by this hook. These are so nice, so I picked up a couple. Now I'm going back down to their tools and their fairy garden stuff. If you do this, they got some really cute stuff. Sometimes I pick it up for my tier trays and stuff like that. But anyways, there's your pot hangers and thermometers and things like that. And, of course, more hooks. And your little twirlies, normal things. But these signs I'm coming to, y'all. These signs are so cute. I was tickled. Of course, I had to pick up one for a DIY, but they're just pretty. You could pop them into a wreath. You could pop that stick off, that round one, and pop it on a wreath. Whatever. You get crafty with it and do what you want. All right, now their pots. Of course, they always have a lot of planters, and there's a new one I noticed I didn't see last year. Look at this. They stuck this little light down in a pot, but it is so cute. The only one I saw in the store, and it's one of those little, lights stakes that you put in your yard, and then they come on when the lights go, or when it gets dark, when the lights go out. Yeah, I'll be all right. Those right there is what I was talking about are new. They sit over your porch railing, and that's cute. Of course, there are little terracottas and two vases that don't belong there, but you know how people are. So anyways, yeah, all their pots galore. These are cute. The detail in them are so pretty. They even have black ones. There's more hummingbird feeders. Look at the detail in these little scalloped edges cut out. It's so cute. This is the ribbon or what was left, and then the little monogram baskets and moss bunnies, and then all the little wood cutouts down there, and you could still see the wood cutouts, and then some things to paint, little ceramic things. Kids love these. Absolutely love them. Then you have more things for kids and little felt cutouts to put together. But these little things, little pom-pom creations, pom-pom kits, are so stinking cute and easy to do with kids, grandkids, your kids, whatever. Then, of course, we got more eggs. Eggs on sticks now to pop in your whatever. And then, of course, there are little rabbits over there to the side. And the bunny butts were in here somewhere, but I didn't film them. There's 4 little packs of golden eggs left. And then the famous twine eggs this year. But it's not real twine. It's like plastic looking stuff. But anyway, there they are in their pretty little colors. Here's my crafters section. Crafters square. And they're actually redoing it. There's my favorite pink tools. And then that rotary cutter is really, really good. Those scissors are hit and miss, but I do have a good pair. That is an alright weeding tool. That's a good embossing tool. That is not a good scraper in my opinion. It bends. Those are fun to play with. Those watercolor brushes. And then here's all their paint. But these big paint brushes in the middle are my favorite go-to paint brushes here. I love them. Then you get into the glass bottles. And these are new, the glass droppers. Then your little signs. Then all the metals. They have a lot of metal words, metal signs, metal cutouts, and it was in abundance. And I'll show you behind me in a minute, but there's their wood, some of their wood cutouts. They have them just stacked in boxes. They haven't even got room to put them out yet. Those round ones that everybody loves, the scallop round ones. But they were redoing, and they are putting in all this vinyl. And this vinyl was so pretty. It's glittered. Of course, I got the flowered one. But how pretty is this? I was talking to the ladies. They're really revamping the Crafter Square. And then this is their new storage spring colors. And they are so pretty. These I use for craft supplies. Buttons, pins, whatever. And those I do too. I love those for storage. Then they have their beautiful die-cut baskets back out. Y'all better get these while they're there or you won't find them. Then you have all of the succulents. And these were new. The colors were popping. They were so pretty. And they're in little... You'll have to overlook me. I have one hand and I'm trying to do this. But they got little sayings on the pots. And these would be so cute on a tiered tray. They're gorgeous. Gorgeous. And then, of course, they got their old favorites. Sorry, I'm trying to maneuver my phone. Because I was moving them with one hand. I am so sorry. There's their old favorites right there. Old faithfuls, whatever. When you go to the tool section, these are so nice to organize. If you see them, pick them up. They are a hit and miss in the stores. Sometimes they have them, sometimes they don't. But batteries, buttons, anything. These are, really pretty. I know people done them with Jenga blocks. These are some of their little decorative wall plaques. Now, this section in my store was pretty much wiped out. These are the little hook hangers that I picked up. They are so cute. And I'm going to end with these beautiful little things. They would be adorable in a baby's room. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. And ring that bell to be notified when I upload a video. Remember, you are a blessing. I'll catch you next time. Bye.